I commend the Bureau of Customs, especially the leadership of Commissioner Rubio and the strategic leadership of the IPRD chief in streamlining the procedures in doing customs enforcement. I've been doing enforcement, especially with the Bureau of Customs, for more than a decade, and under the leadership of Commissioner Rubio, we saw dynamic developments which involves the utilization of technological tools in pinpointing, in tracking counterfeiters, in collaborating with brand owners, and most importantly, a simplified process in prosecuting counterfeiters, illegal importers of counterfeit goods.